In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily scan a document and then save it directly to your files on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Files app, and then we actually can be at any directory. Also, we can head over to the browse page and we can start scanning a document from any location, because all we have to do is just hit right here at these three dots and then select Scan Documents. Also, we can do so right from here, from on my iPhone location. I can just hit at three dots and then tap at Scan Documents from here. That will activate a camera, and now here I got a book, and let's just scan book cover. It just takes a picture. However, we can easily tap on it and then hit a trash bin to remove it. And now we just need to point our camera at the book cover. We can then easily see the result. If we would like to retake it, we can easily do so. Now I'm gonna hit at retake. That's how it can be easily done. It takes a picture automatically. Now let's scan another object. Here I'm gonna hit at done, and now I'm just gonna point camera at another page. As you can see here, if I tap right now, it shows me this PDF document that is already generated. Here I can see two pages. I can continue scanning them. I can edit them. Let's say here I can crop that part. If we hit right here, we'll be able in this way to drag it just like that, and once it is done, hit at done. After that, tap at done again, and now we can continue taking pictures. And also right from here, once we are done with that, we need to tap at save, and here we will be taken back to the Files app, where we need to create a name for our document. I'm just gonna enter test here and then hit done. We have just scanned, created and saved PDF document directly to the Files app, and that's how it can be easily done. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.